So today is September 24th, 2024, and we are starting our freaking OBS keeps messing with my scenes. Sorry, one second. We're starting our fourth session in this balance area. When we're in balance, we want to look to see how well this range, this balance area holds, or if it doesn't, right? So attempt to break out of the range that fails, then we're gonna look for a fade back to the middle where we have all this volume. If we see a break, the break has to be supported by a strong move in the direction of the break with leaving single prints and supporting internals like AD. I look at ADSPD. Some people look at ADD. Ticks, I want to see volatility coming down if it's a break to the upside, volatility coming up on a break to the downside. And I want to see that this high is holding, and a retest that holds, then I will go with a break. Otherwise, you want to see thin volume and a price that doesn't hold, and then short back to the middle of the range. That's what I'm gonna be looking for today. In here it's gonna be a little choppy, so I don't particularly want to trade here unless I see something very clear. Because in the middle of all this, you have all this positioning, and there's traders that are long, some that are short, so it could go either way here. And then if we come back down, the same thing, right? Like looking for a bounce back into the range, or if we break it, I want to see these lows taken out with strength and hold, and then look for a move back into this area like I mentioned yesterday. Nothing much changed since yesterday, so it's pretty much the same scenario. So I'm not gonna bore you with this because it's all the same, pretty much same range. Same thing with NQ. Move back into the 20,800 area on a fill to move higher, and looking for a bounce around this area, around the 940. And if we lose this area, looking for a move down here into the 680, 780, and then 680. Crude yesterday faked me because we moved below that low volume node. We pushed down. Actually, I tried to take a short here, didn't get a fill, and it went to my target. And then I thought we were gonna retest this area, and then come back again and keep going lower. But so I took a short with a very tight stop, and then I got stopped out because we went back into the upper area. So now we're pushing to our second target, right? Remember I pointed this high volume nodes, this one, that were almost there. And then I pointed this one this morning. So if we hold above this moving averages, then the next target is going to be 73.70. There's a little bit of a hurdle here between 73.20 and 73.40. But then that will be the next area to look for as a target. Gold is still holding and keeps making new highs. The 5-day point of control shifted up here. So now we are establishing a new acceptance area with the point of control at 26.54.53. So if we fail to move higher, look for a move down back to here and look for this area to still act as support. In the case that this fail, then we'll see a move down to the 26.16 area. And that's about it. I don't think we have much going on today. We have consumer confidence at 10, and then we have some auctions at 1 p.m. And tomorrow we have new home sales, crude inventories, and GDP and jobless claims on Thursday, and PCE on Friday. I think we're still waiting for those to make the next move. All right, that's about it. Good luck.